Nature blesses us in the form of fresh fruits and vegetables. But wouldn't it be great if that blessing stays on? That's why we have the hybrid cooling system in Sharp refrigerators. With this, we have successfully managed to lengthen the freshness of fruits and vegetables. Let's understand the science behind it. The aluminium panel inside is cooled to approximately 0 degrees centigrade, which cools the air faster for even cooling across compartments. The hybrid cooling plate prevents cold air from striking the food directly. This delays dehydration. It also helps to maintain a healthy moisture level, keeping the food fresh for a longer period. It's time to let nature's goodness prevail with a hybrid cooling system from Sharp. Sharp, be original.